Hi y'all, it's me, Miss Kree. I'm back again today with another video. So today I have some Popeyes. I have spicy chicken, breast thigh, whatever this is, this big piece is, a wing, some red beans and rice. I have a biscuit back here, but only one is buttered because I'm only gonna probably eat a half of it. And some green and collard greens and kale that I fixed myself. Yes, I did. All right, let's get into it. God, thank you for this food I'm about to receive. Amen. All right, y'all. So let's get into the greens. Let's see the greens, the collard greens, and the kale. It's good too. This is one thing that I can cook. I ain't gotta worry about King ever eating it because he won't eat it. I mean, I sure wish you have a seat. I sure do. Now some water. Renee, sit down somewhere, girl. Have a seat, please. The whole damn biscuit fell apart. When I first opened it up, I said, oh, it's soft today. Maybe it's too soft. It shouldn't fall apart like that. So, how are y'all? How y'all doing today? What y'all been up to? Do y'all like y'all greens mixed? Or do you just like collard greens by itself? Or, you know, mustard greens, kale, whatever it is you eat. Do you like it mixed or do you just prefer it by itself? It's so good. Did I tell y'all that was red beans and rice? I don't know. But that's red beans and rice, if I ain't tell y'all. Man, I swear. These, well, you know, but I don't know. That Popeye's always down there. For some reason, well, lately, it's just always crowded. Now, before all this stuff started going on, it ain't never used to be this crowded. But what I did was, I placed my order online. I didn't think when I got there, the drive-thru, I mean, because it's not a big parking lot anyway, but the drive-thru was almost to the street. And I was like, what in the hell? This many people want Popeyes at this exact time? But I guess so, because they was in line. It was crazy. Oh, I forgot my sauce. Hold on. So yeah. But the line was always almost to the street. Maybe it's because I've only seen two within, I'll say, maybe 3 or 4 miles of each other. I've only seen 2 of them. Oh, I got the sweet heat, but I wanted to try their buffalo. I want to try their buffalo too, so. So I'll put that one over there. This ain't barbecue sauce. I told that damn man buffalo. I don't want to try the barbecue sauce, so I guess I'll just use that one. Some people just don't listen. Well, you know what? It's not that they don't listen. They hear what they want to hear. I believe that. But I don't think I really need no sauce. But anywho, y'all. Man, oh man. Man, my greens are so good. No. My bad, y'all. Sorry. But it is, though. I had some, because I cooked these greens. When did I cook these greens? Yesterday. So, I was at work today, and I took some to work. So, one of the contractors that be coming in, he came in, he said, something smells good. I said, oh, it is. I had this, and I had smoked turkey in my greens. So he said, oh, something smells really good. I said, oh, thank you. He was like, what is that? I said, greens with smoked turkey. He said, oh, yeah, you know how to cook it. So maybe he's been around somebody and it ain't smell right. I don't know. But yeah, that was that. I had to order some more stuff. I can't wait for it to get here. No, I cannot. I've been thinking about doing something different on my channel. I forgot the man's name. Just that fast that I was watching. But he does the like trying different stuff. Like people send him emails or whatever. Ask him to the weird food combinations. That's what it is. So I'm thinking about doing that. You know, if I can't say nothing else about Popeyes, I love their crust. I remember one time, this was a while ago, but me and my husband we had Popeyes, and he had took all the skin off his chicken. So said, what you gonna do with that? He said, what you mean? I said, why you take it off right there? He said, because I just wanted the chicken part. I said, well, give me your skin. So, damn it. From that point on, every time, why did I do that? Anywho, anytime we have Popeyes or something like that, he would always take the skin off his chicken and give it to me. But it is, Popeyes chicken skin is so good. Now, sometimes their chicken can be a little dry. But today, their chicken is good, though. It's kind of juicy. It's not dry. Mm-hmm. Yep. Oh, my nose, man. Damn. No, it's killing me. It's still hot. Now I want to check my P.O. box today because I had to take some stuff to the post office and mail it anyway. And I received something in the mail. I don't know who I got it from. It's no return address. So I don't even know where I got who it came from. Or why they sent it to me. It's from Jacksonville, Florida. I mean, I don't know. It wasn't no note. I'm gonna show y'all what it is. This how it came. And I'm just like, okay. So I open it up. And this is what it is. And then it's like a little comic strip. But it's a religious like comic strip because they talk about Jesus and Christmas and you know all of the different types of religion like Buddha, Muslim, all that kind of stuff. Excuse me. See, this is what it looked like. And it's pretty much the same throughout the whole book. The whole little pamphlet. What's that? Bible verses. But yeah. But I don't know who sent it to me. On the back, it don't have a name of who it came from. So I don't know if it's just like some kind of advertisement. I don't know. Oh shit. Oh shucks. Now I gotta go wash my hands. I'll be back. Alright, y'all. So yeah, I don't know where it came from. Well, like I said, maybe it's just some kind of advertisement. All right, relax. Let me give you some. Hold up. She ain't paying me no attention right now. So I give it to her when she paying me some attention. But yeah, I think I'm gonna do I think that's what I'm gonna start doing. I'm gonna say I'm gonna put a post, I guess, on Instagram and say, you know, send me some food weird combinations. Or y'all can leave me some weird food combinations in the comment. Damn, I keep shaking the camera. Y'all can leave me some weird food combinations in the comments. And don't just make up stuff either. Because if it's too crazy, I ain't gonna do it. I'll tell you that now. If it sounds like something somebody just made up, I ain't doing it. Not gonna have me sick. It's a big old piece of stock. I don't want that part. It's crunchy as these grains is with the stalks. Actually, maybe I should have did this as an ASMR. I hate when somebody asks me for my advice. I think I already talked about this in a video a while ago. Ask me my advice or my opinion, and then they do the absolute opposite. Yeah, you asked me for what you was gonna do, what you want to do anyway. That's how I see it. But I'll ask people, I'm like, do you want my opinion or are you just venting? What we doing here? No, I want you to tell me. But when I tell you, you do the opposite. So, stuff like that, it's just like, okay, what was the point of you asking me? Was it just to tell me what was going on the slide? Or did you want my opinion at the time? I don't know. But it is what it is, I suppose. And you know how they say everything happens for a reason, and people are brought into your life for a reason or a season. Some people that I know, I wonder, why the hell was you brought into my life? For what reason? What was the point? Because, like, say for instance, like, you know somebody, and all they have done the whole time you've known them is caused like issues, drama, or, you know, it's always been something like that. So, stuff like that lead me to believe, okay, so it's just like, what was the point then? I don't understand. Why was I supposed to meet you? Why were you supposed to be in my life, even if it was just for a season? What was the point? Excuse me. What was the point of that? Hey girl, you looking at him? Uh-oh, I'm sorry, baby. Damn it. If you would have kept your head still, it wouldn't have bounced off your big head. Oh, she got it. So yeah, I don't know. That's just some stuff that I've been thinking about. This is supposed to be spicy too. I think they gave me the wrong one because I don't. This wasn't no spicy. The only little bit of spice I taste is from the sauce, the barbecue sauce. It is what it is at this point. Hold on, baby. Here goes some more. Alright, she got it. So yeah, I don't know, but I'm making all kind of mess over here with all these damn crumbs. Anyway. Why the hell does my neck look like that? Anyway, y'all. My lips feel so greasy. Thank y'all for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell so you'll be notified when I put up another video. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Leave me y'all comments in the comment section about the weird food combinations. All right, until the next time.